Hello again from Car Key Solutions workshop here in South London, where today we have a Ford Transit Custom. We're going to discuss about security on it. For definite, when this van comes from the factory, it could do with some improvement on the security system. We get asked a lot by the customer what it should be done to make this type of van more secure. And there's a list of aspects that they need to be covered. Now, starting from the driver's door, one of the main points will be the driver door barrel. Original one, it has a plastic surrounding and it can be easily accessed with a mole grip, twist it and get the van unlocked. So one of the metal one, upgraded, it won't allow such a thing. It will be impossible, nearly impossible to be turned. So definitely one of the first things on the list to make the transit more secure. Another aspect, it is on the central locking operation. So by turning this barrel, normally it should only allow this door to be unlocked, none of the other doors. So this consists on a software update that most of the transit customs they should have after 2015. So it's worthwhile checking your van whether you have a security upgrade already or the original one. Just double lock the van, leave it for 2-3 minutes so the car goes in sleep mode, and unlock it with a blade. Putting the blade in and unlock it. See, will it open just this door? Try to open it twice. Turn the key twice and see if it will unlock all the other doors. This is not good if it happens. If he opens just this door, it's fine. As I was saying, if he opens all the other doors, then your van will need a software update to have this problem rectified. So again, when you are unlocking the van by the key, by the blade, it should only unlock this door. Now, the deadlock state that I was talking earlier is this function. On some van, it's activated by a single press on the locking button of the remote, while on others, depending on configuration, it can be activated by 2 presses. So we're going to show you on this one by pressing just once and try to unlock from the interior door handle, the door will unlock. However, pressing it twice, you can hear another click. When you press the second time, unlocking is not possible. Definitely this is a way more secure. The double lock, deadlock, is more secure. And another very important aspect on this particular van, only when the van is in deadlock state, the alarm will be activated. So it's worthwhile, check your van, because if you don't pay attention, you're gonna lock it once, the alarm might not get activated, and this is pointless. You have an alarm but it's not active, so it's not gonna protect the van fully. So better pay attention, double check your van, see how does it go in deadlock, by 1 press or 2 press is a very important aspect. The deadlock makes the van more secure, and we're going to show you when we go to the rear doors why. Now, going inside the van, another aspect that needs attention is the OBD. The OBD connector is the diagnostic connector that on this van, it is located under here. This will be the connector that will allow communication of the diagnostic machine with the vehicle in order to have a key program. So relocating in a hidden place, or the way that is here already, in a box secure with a special key, will prevent any unauthorized access to the OBD connector. In the case that the van gets open, no access will not be permitted to get another key program. So that's another aspect that really needs attention. Now, going to the rear doors, side and rear loading doors, there are type of security locks that they can be upgraded, and we'll go there to show you. Original locks, they're not very good, and definitely it could do with an upgrade. Now, there's always a debate, which type of lock should you have, a slam lock or a deadlock, and what's the difference? Difference is this type of lock will lock the door every time when the door is shut. However, some deadlock system, which they usually fit it on this side of the van, they always need to be operated to lock the door. We definitely recommend those type of locks to be, as they are more secure. This type of slam lock we say is a good lock for courier drivers where they need access in and out very often, and they need to make sure whatever they left the door closed behind. So this is very good. But what we have seen quite often, a deadlock will make this side door more secure, because we've seen it, the access in a van gets by bending the door. So in this case, we recommend a high level hook lock, which will prevent such thing from happening. Now, another aspect that even happened to us, and you can see in the picture that we have just attached, we had one of the van attempt to break in. Here is the lock unit on this door. And if there are no protector in place, if there's no protection in place, this side door can be easily opened. If there's no hook lock present and no protection here, the side door can be easily accessed, even if there's this type of slam lock fitted. And we're going to show you here what we are on about. So this is a plate that goes on the skin, on the door skin, protecting the lock. Without this in place, access can get direct to the lock and easily open with a screwdriver. So cut the plates, as you can see in the picture, and access. So this is another very important aspect. You don't see it on the outside. The plate is quite thick, and look the damage that. However, we've been lucky, no access was gained to the van, purely because we had this protection in the van. Deadlock is also a good procedure. Always make sure, because the deadlock will make the lock a lot more difficult to be accessed and opened with a screwdriver, the way that they do it. So again, what we are referring in the front door, deadlock applies also for the rear and side door. Very, very important. That's why we cannot stress enough. Check, see your car doesn't need 2 presses. If it does, you must always remember to do so. Make sure you have the best protection. Now, going to the rear of the doors, again, we're going to have same situation. Slam lock or deadlock. Slam lock, same situation. If you think courier, you want to go in and out quite often, you want to make sure that behind you the door gets locked. A slam lock will be the quicker way, the best option. However, more secure is going to be a hook lock. And again, upper side of the door, because those doors, they can be bent. So having a lock in the upper side will prevent this from happening. Thanks for watching. If you think you've learned something out of it, please share, subscribe to our channel, and get in touch if you need assistance. See you.